In this video, you'll learn how to create an article using ElevenLabs. This guide will take you through the steps required to prepare your text, convert it to speech, and download your voiceover for various platforms. Start by ensuring that your text is ready. Your article can be prepared in various formats such as Word, Google Docs, or even notes and scripts. Additionally, you can use AI-generated content, for example, from ChatGPT. It is important to note that ElevenLabs does not create text or articles itself. It is designed solely to convert your prepared text into speech. Next, navigate to ElevenLabs.io. Once the page loads, look for the login option. Enter your credentials to access your account. If you do not have an account yet, you will need to create one. After logging in, you will see the main dashboard. Here, click on Text to Speech or Studio if you plan to work with longer content. After accessing the text to speech section, you will need to choose a voice for your article. You can select from options such as female, male, or custom voices. Consider the tone of your article. Choose a calm voice for informative content or a more energetic voice for engaging topics. This selection will impact how your audience perceives the material. Once you've selected your voice, copy your prepared article text and paste it into the input box. If your text is lengthy and exceeds the character limit, it is advisable to break it into smaller sections. This will ensure that the system processes each part effectively without errors. Now it's time to adjust the settings for your voiceover. Set the stability to around 50 to 60% for a natural reading experience. For clarity, adjust the similarity to 70 to 80%. If you want to add a dramatic flair to specific sections, you can set the style exaggeration to between 0 to 10%. To enhance the flow, consider adding pauses using commas, line breaks, or ellipses. After you have configured the settings to your satisfaction, click the Generate button. You will then be able to listen to a preview of your voiceover. Take this opportunity to make any small adjustments if necessary. Once you are satisfied with the preview, proceed to generate the full voiceover for your article. Finally, when the voiceover is ready and you are happy with the results, click the download button. This will save the voiceover version of your article, which is now ready for use on platforms such as YouTube, podcasts, or social media.